Big Oaks College because of the small community.
It was very welcoming when we walked into the classroom.
Made me feel like I was already at home.
You know, we have food at every class.
They got me like that. I mean, it's a connection.
At Pacific Oaks, you won't feel like a number.
Even when you walk in the hallways, they all know your name.
They got to know your family. They got to learn your struggles.
It seemed like a more family environment.
Some of my classmates now are going to be my lifelong friends.
My learning community has been my family, has been my support.
And so with that level of support, it's definitely, I'd say, key in helping us to be so successful.
I'm just so proud of her, and I can finally spend time with her since she's all done with her school.
And this is my family.
And we're graduating together.
And my sister and I graduated together.